Here are the top 5 tips you can do on your computer that you probably didn't know. If you press the Windows plus Shift plus R shortcut, by doing this allows you to select a part of your screen and start recording. You will only be recording the part you select, and you can use this to help you create your content or a tutorial. Next, press the Control plus Windows plus V, and this will open the audio output settings for a faster way to switch between your speakers and headset. Next, when you need to type a long document, don't use the keyboard. Just press Windows plus H to activate voice command and just start speaking. Everything you say will be transcribed on the screen without you having to touch the keyboard. Now press Windows, then go to Microsoft Store and look for Microsoft Power Toys and just install it. Just by installing it, you can already do this. If you lose the cursor on the screen, press Control twice and you'll find it. But the best of all, if you open Power Toys, look for Text Extractor and just click to activate it. And now with the Windows plus Shift plus T shortcut, you can select any static image on the screen that has a text and simply copy and paste. You know about all these shortcuts? Send this to your friends and don't forget to follow for more.